Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I wanted to do like this series that's called What Product Monday or New Product, there you go. New products Monday or New Product Monday. So every Monday, I'm gonna be trying out new products and I'm gonna upload it for you guys to check it out and see what product fits your hair. If you are a type 4 hair or 3 hair or 23 hair or 44 type hair, and you like this type of video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the notification bell and let me know if it worked for you. My hair is a type 4, as you can tell. Oh, what is that? I baked an egg on my head. So yeah, if you are a type 4 hair, this video will be strictly for you. If not, this video is still gonna be for you because it might work for your hair type. I don't know, we will see. So I'm gonna try to re-explain this in French, okay, and see how this works out. French and English, okay. Aujourd'hui, je vais essayer d'utiliser les nouveaux produits pour mes cheveux. Tout lundi, je vais poster une vidéo pour vous montrer quel produit j'ai utilisé pour mes cheveux. Ah, c'est le bon English. Donc, essayer pour expliquer si j'aime les produits ou bien si j'aime pas les produits. Tout ça, c'est ce que m'indélé, hein. Is that difficult? Ha! On va rentrer en anglais. But if you like this video, let's just get started and let's. So yeah, today's product, I'm going to use something that I bought from Kroger. I'm pretty sure if you don't have a Kroger next to you, you can find this product on Amazon. So yeah, let's just name the product. Ce produit ici, je vais vous montrer, ça va être un produit que tu peux acheter en Amazon ou bien si tu es en Amérique. Kroger, ça va t'aider. Ça s'appelle Nothing But Pure Pudding. And ever since I stopped using Eco Style gel, I've been trying to figure out what product I can use because my hair loves gel. So I'm like in the middle of figuring out what type of product will fit my hair and what type of product will curl my hair up. So I came along with this. Montre-le produit, tu parles beaucoup. Okay, I came out with this product right here. I didn't come out with it, but I ran across this product right here. I don't know if it's gonna focus. There you go. We focused. This product right here, it looks like this. The bottle is beautiful. It's blue and green. Ooh, I love the color blue. Y'all saw that? Basket caca. Okay. It's like this, and the inside of it is very creamy. So what I'm gonna do first and foremost, I'm going to moisturize my hair with my favorite hair growth product, which is called Gro Afro. If you haven't purchased this product for your hair, I highly recommend you guys to try this product out. And of course, I have a discount code down below for you guys to purchase it for yourself. Si t'as pas compris bien en anglais, na toujours meka, hein? Toujours meka. Ba Africain boza e belé na Chanel ou il faut na meka. Hein, ceux qui le bas anglais te sert, pardonnez hein? Pardonne-moi, j'ai tenté seulement de vous aider pour que vous compreniez. Ok, cette produit ici, ça m'a vraiment aidé. Ça m'a fait grandir les cheveux. Mes cheveux ont grandi beaucoup, hein. Sous que colis m'a cassé. Je vais te donner les codes pour que ça te aide. Pour nanaye, bi que souvent, vous avez un bon côté. Bolinga ka basel, bino pe bolinga basel le délai. So, je vais vous laisser un peu le code en bas là pour que tu prends un peu d'argent à côté. So now, because my hair is dry, I'm going to wet it just a little bit before I apply this product on. In order for your curls to pop, you have to like separate your hair. I find it really useful when I separate my hair. So if you guys can see, my curls don't really like curl up, like they like to do the things that they like to do on their own. Freaking ducks. So yeah, without me coiling it, the curls are really nice and defined. We might like this thing. So if I zoom you guys in, this is how one part of my hair looks with the product. It's actually not bad. So sometimes if I want my hair to be super defined, I like go in and just use my fingers But some people really do like take them one by one. I can't do that, okay? So, yeah, it's not bad. Sorry, got oil on my face. But it's not bad at all. Another reason why I don't like to wear my natural hair, because at the stage that it's in right now, I look like a big chocolate donut, okay? With curls on top of it. It ain't cute. But as far as like the product, I really like this product. I've noticed that it doesn't work when your hair is dry. And if you have a hair texture like mine, I believe I'm a 4 type hair. And one thing I've noticed that I'm low porosity, and my hair, it takes a while for products to kick in. I had to really like put the product in for me to really see it work, or else it would just sit on my head, on top of my hair, and not do nothing. And this product was really nice. I really like how, like, you know, whether I did this or not, the product still worked. Like the places that I did coil my hair, it did really nice. And then the places where I just like ran my fingers through it, it still showed up. So I'm really excited to try it out when my hair fully grows out, just to see if it will work even better. But as far as like, you know, your little itty bitty curls, this did a really nice job. If you are low porosity, it will take a while for the products to work. So I highly recommend you to like make sure that you are running your fingers through your hair constantly while you are doing the product. Don't just put it one time. But I really like this product. This product made me feel kind of special, you know? I feel like one of those Snapchat dudes would be like this on their phone. Yo, son, my hair about to be long, B. I'm about to let this grow, B. I'm sorry. But as far as the product is amazing. I got this for about, I think it's probably less than $4. If I find it on Amazon, I'll leave the link down below for you to purchase it. But this product did a really good job. One thing I did notice about my hair is I have to make sure that it's completely wet. Like not too wet, but wet enough for the curls to be really defined. But this product did an amazing job. And for all my natural, you know, 4 type hair sisters out there, it's easy for us to purchase a product, but it's really hard for us to actually get the product to work on our hair and for us to actually like the product. So it's like, this product, I highly recommend you guys to give it a try. I like this product. Will I try it again? I would definitely try it again whenever I wear my natural hair out. But I don't see myself wearing my natural hair out anytime soon because it's in a awkward stage. Which I call this an awkward stage. Huh? Toda muy nene, huh? Oh, pepa, je pepa. I'm gonna leave the link to where you can purchase the product down below. If you guys have requests on products that you want me to try before you purchase, the request is free and you keep me your money before you buy it. So leave your request in my DM or leave a comment down below. And thank you guys so much for watching. I'm gonna take a cute selfie with this and see you guys next video. Bye guys.